You have been a screenplay writer for the past 20 years. So how much dedication and hard work have you contributed? How much dedication and hard work have you contributed to reach up to this level?
An enormous amount of hard work and dedication actually has gone into this. But that's no other way to do it in any case. I mean, any task in the world you take on seriously, I mean, it will call upon full sort of dedicated commitment to this. And screenplay writing is by itself, firstly, writing is very tough. Screenplay writing is very restricted, no? Because scene by scene you need to write. There's a certain kind of narrow cinematic medium in which you need to sort of put all your thoughts. So it's not easy. Plus there is a certain heavy craft element which you need to bring in. Then negotiating it professionally with the film industry people, trying to somewhere struggle to ensure that your vision is retained to some extent at least. Not an easy task, to do that. So it does require huge amounts of, dedication, as you call it.
And you have been a screenplay writer for Rajneeti, Satyagraha, and etc. A lot of well-known movies. So what is that one particular thing that has drifted your interest towards writing?
Wow. I think for me it is also my response to a reality. Okay, we live in a world, we live in a society, okay, a community. Now there are things happening around us which we certainly do have a take on. We have a certain response to that. Now if that response sometimes is very intense, then there is a desire to share it. There is a desire to share a certain understanding of that. And that is what I would say is perhaps, if I had to isolate one factor, then I would say perhaps this may be the primary factor which actually makes me want to write. I mean, something which touches you. And because it touches you, there is a desire to share it. And you hope to touch others.
And you are a faculty of Whistling Woods as well as FTII. So how does it feel when your students aspire to be like you someday?
No, I don't think when they aspire to be like me, I don't like it. Okay, but when they aspire to be established and good screenwriters in their own right, that makes me feel very good. When in fact they do work which is better than the experienced work which I have done, I feel happiest at that time, which is why I like what Puvali is doing. Puvali has written Kaipoche, which I feel is a sophisticated piece of work. It's difficult, but she's managed to do it. There are others also I come across, you see, who are doing work. I mean, those films haven't come out yet. But when you feel that your students are exceeding what your capacities are, that there is no comparable joy with that.
And you are also an actor. So when it comes to your family and friends, what do they prefer you as? Like what do they say? You are good as an actor, like they like you as an actor, or a screenplay writer?
I think it's a bit of an overkill to call me an actor. I mean, I've acted in a few films, but that's been more as a favor to friends, who are there, not really as a career step or a career choice. I'm not sort of interested in making a career out of acting. I enjoy it once in a while, to just go and have some fun. But as far as the family is concerned, I think the main two vocations which I have is actually teaching and writing. And I think they like both. I mean, they when I go to teach also, they feel happy and proud. And when I also write and something decent comes out, then I guess they feel sort of proud. So I think they relate to both. Acting, they don't so much relate to. My son once in a while gets kicked about that. Oh, that is you. That's just a momentary thing.
Thank you so much for your precious time.